Welcome back, everyone. We're here at Prerequisite with Order of Operations. I'm going to get you guys started here at the very beginning. Okay, so we start off with what is the difference between an algebraic expression and an algebraic equation? Provide an example of each. Okay, so this is very important to differentiate early on. When you see an expression, it is something along the lines of, say, 2x plus 3. Notice that it stands alone. It's just an expression. It's just 2x plus 3. You're waiting to find out what x is so you can substitute in for it. That's all you can do with it, okay? So right here we have ourselves an example, an expression. Now, an equation, on the other hand, all right, so equation is something where we have, say, this 2x plus 3, but it equals a value, okay? Hence equation equal. When you see the equal sign, right away you can think to yourself, there's your equation. Okay, so this next part here, suppose we were to simplify the following expression. Now, this whole section is on order of operations, which many of you have seen before. And it's very important to have order of operations because of what's taking place right here. 1 and 2, they're exact same problem. 5 times 4 plus 6 divided by 2. You'll notice that here and here, everything looks exactly the same. But then, your third step down, this side decided to chose to decide 20 plus 6 equals 26. Then they divided by 2 to get 13. While over here, this side decided to do 6 divided by 2 first to get 3, and then add them together. So how do we know which one is correct? And this takes us to our good old order of operations, okay? We have a few steps to take a look at, but I'm going to just heavily reference PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So the P stands for parentheses. Look to simplify anything in parentheses or grouping symbols. Parentheses, brackets, absolute value, whatever it may be. Your E is any exponent, something raised to a power. Multiplication and division. Now this one, again, is important. You're going from left to right. Okay, so you're starting on the left-hand side of your expression and you're moving your way over. The same works for your addition and subtraction. Okay, so of the two examples above, which one is correct? Well, if you take a look at it, the one over here will be your correct one. So let's see what they chose to do. 5 times 4 gives you 20, good, plus 6 divided by 2. Then, as we said, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, multiplication and division. Going from left to right, the very next thing is division. 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. Lastly, we have no multiplication or division. Add them together, we get our 23. Okay? So it just follows those orders of operations very well. To show you guys a quick example down here, we'll take a look at 2a. We have 2 times 5 minus 3 plus 6 squared. So if it helps, write that out. Do we see any parentheses? No. Do I see any exponents? Why, yes, I do. So I'm going to do 2 times 5 minus 3 plus 36. Okay. Now, my next one over, multiplication. I do have multiplication. Okay. Do I have any division? No. So this is the only one that's taking place. 2 times 5 gives me 10. All right. As far as addition and subtraction go, we kind of group them together. You go from left to right. So we go 10 minus 3 is negative 7. I'm sorry, positive 7 plus 36, which gives us 43 for our grand answer. Okay? The nice thing about this, if there is no variable, you may also use a calculator to help yourself out. So just very quickly to kind of show you this and back it up. If you have the patience for it, take your time. 2 times 5 minus 3 plus 6 caret 2. Okay, so we have everything typed in correctly. Hit enter. 43. We've verified our work is correct. All is well. Okay, so good luck. Keep up the good work, and see you next time.